it does not reflect the exact document referred to by the defense, Your Honor. And that should not be allowed, Your Honor, with all due respect.
It is just to illustrate, Your Honor, for the benefit of the senator judges and as well as the public watching so that they can also follow the...
Lead prosecutor, we will allow it. So for the information of senator judges, the counsel for the respondent confronted the witness with respect to these affidavits that were part of the investigation conducted prior to his assumption as NBI director. And the witness simply stated that he has no personal knowledge with respect to the execution, or due execution rather, of these 2 affidavits thus far out of, I presume, 10.
May I comment, Your Honor?
The lead prosecutor may register her comment.
May I know what is wrong with just presenting the exact document instead of the...
Nagagalit si Luistro dahil pinipresent nung kabila yung dokumento na may mga XXX. Putangin na yan. Notaryado yan eh. Marked as exhibit yan eh. Bakit yung kay Las Cañas hindi kayo nagagalit? Hindi notaryado. Oh, hindi notaryado ni hindi konektado dito sa kaso nung pinakita nyo. Putang ina ninyo. Tuwan-tuwa kayo. Oh, pahiyang-pahiya na nga kayo pero putyang ina, basta kailangan may ilabas yan sa marinig ng taong bayan niya. Pero dito may XXXX lang na gano'n, natataranta ka na. Oh. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa iyo, Luistro eh.
Those which are marked with XX. Your Honor, apps or whatever impression it may give to the witness with respect to the to attending to the subpoena, Your Honor. May we just remove those XX? We don't mind if they flash the documents, but it should be an exact reflection of what the document is.
Ganito si Madam.
Short rejoinder, Your Honor.
No need for a rejoinder. Court is ruled, and the court notes the observation, manifestation, and objection of the lead prosecutor. Again, I think it's quite plain that these are documents that the witness cannot or does not have personal knowledge about because he was not yet the NBI director. Counsel may proceed with...
Sopla. O, kasi may mga X ito. Itong subpoena na to, may X. Ibig sabihin, wala siyang alam. Itong subpoena na to, may X. For guidance ng mga tao na nanonood dyan at mga senator judges. So, para lang alam ninyo, sa dami ng mga dokumentong ito, walang alam yung ating NBA director. Pero nandito siya sa witness stand at sinasabi niyang may alam siya.
Yes, answer.
All right, I'll move on. Are you aware that the subpoena was issued to Red Mendoza of Manila Times?
I'm aware that there is a...
Brico of SMNI.
Again,
That the same answer of the witness... Witness may proceed. Witness may answer. Counsel will please proceed.
All right, are you aware that the subpoena was issued again to Jason Rubrico of SMNI?
same answer, Your
Okay,
Honor.
same answer. And you did not sign that subpoena for Jason?
I said same answer,
All
Your
right.
Honor.
Are you aware that the subpoena was issued to Mikhail Flores of Reuters?
Same answer, Your Honor.
Your Honor, may we ask, Your Honor, that the law make any comment?
The document being shown to him by assisting counsel for respondent. Counsel may proceed.
Mr. Presiding Officer, may I speak?
Yes, Director.
The counsel is not telling anything, but may I request not to cover me so that the people can see me.
Yes.
Salamat kayo kay Aimee Aimee FRDE. Salamat sa iyo. Watching from Norway.
That may be granted by the presiding
Thank you,
officer.
Your Honor.
Assisting counsel, kindly sit beside the...
Sir,
And you did not sign it. Okay. Are you aware that the subpoena was issued to 2 OVP personnel? And did you sign the subpoenas?
same answer.
Alright, so not a single one. Now, my next question to you is this. Did you oversee any interview that was conducted in the fact-finding investigation?
Your Honor, the question is vague.
If the witness is a lawyer and is competent to
Your
answer,
Honor,
he knows, Your Honor.
Your Honor, during the direct, it was established that there were 2 investigations. The first investigation and the current investigation of the SDF.
Then,
the defense need to specify which investigation is he referring to.
The affidavit...
Counsel will please clarify.
Okay. Did you oversee an interview that was conducted in the investigation that was covered by the affidavit of investigation?
As mentioned in my testimony, I was appointed only on February 2026, and it's very unlikely to be part of the investigation prior to that.
Okay. So, are you aware that there were at least 4 interviews that were conducted?
Your Honor, asked and answered.
That is a different question.
Nonetheless.
Witness may answer.
Anong nonetheless? As in answered. Sinabi, hindi ko pa naitatanong to ngayon palang nonetheless. Anong nonetheless? Sinabi mo as in answered, tapos nung sinabi na hindi pa nasasagot, nonetheless. Alak na tinapay ito si Luistro. Bugok eh.
Not there.
Okay, so are you aware, let me be more specific, are you aware that an interview of Dempsey Reyes of PDI was conducted?
I'm not aware of that, but as reflected in the investigation report, it was there.
So in other words, you did not oversee that interview?
Yes, definitely.
All right. Are you aware that there was an interview of Red Mendoza of Manila Times?
Same answer, Your Honor.
Same answer. Are you aware that there was an interview of Bons Magsambol of Rappler? Any one of these interviewees?
At
Before
that
or
time?
after? Before or after?
Who among the...
Among the interviewees that I
No.
mentioned? No. Did you meet any one of their lawyers?
No.
No. All right. Now, were you even present at the NBI Cybercrime Division office at the time of these interviews?
That is impossible.
All right. After the interviews, affidavits attesting to the interviews were executed, as you mentioned. Did you oversee the drafting of these affidavits by the NBI agents?
Again, very unlikely. I was not present.
All right.
Your Honor, if I may interrupt, may I just enter a
Lead prosecutor
continuing...
may make a manifestation and or a continuing objection as I presume she will.
Huwag ka na Luistro, huwag ka na maingay. Salita ka pa ng salita, hindi ka na makasali.
No need for that rejoinder. But were you present when the NBI agents subscribed and sworn to their affidavits?
I was not there.
You're not there. Still nothing. So, and since you did not actually participate, it means that you do not have personal knowledge of these stages of the investigation, correct?
During that time, yes, but as I mentioned earlier, I read the investigation report.
So your knowledge of the investigation was based on only of your reading.
That is absolutely correct,
All right.
and upon the discussion of the investigative
Okay,
officers.
very well. Now, were you present at the November 23, 2024 press con?
I was not present.
You were
I
not
was not
present.
participating in that.
And if you know, was any NBI agent present at the November 23, 2024 press con?
Not that I know of.
None. All right. So in layman's terms, for the benefit of this honorable court and the Filipino people watching, and I'll phrase my question in Tagalog. So sa kabila po ng pagtestigo po ninyo ngayong araw, inaamin nyo ba na wala kayong personal na kaalaman sa nangyaring investigation starting November 23, 2024?
Malinaw naman po yun at ang korte po ay can take
Ano, sagot na. May kaalaman ka ba? May kinalaman ka ba? Personal na kaalaman. Yun ang tanong.
judicial notice of the fact na hindi pa po ako NBI director ng panahon na yun.
So you're confirming that you do not have personal knowledge because you were only appointed as NBA director a year later or on February 20,
Your Honor, ask and
2026,
answer
correct?
question.
No, I haven't even asked that question, Your Honor.
Kindly let counsel finish.
So again, I will repeat. So the reason for this is that because you became NBI director only a year later or on February 20, 2026, correct?
Tama po.
All right. Okay. So prior to February 20, 2026, you do not have any personal knowledge of any investigation, correct?
Nababasa ko lang po sa balita mga pangyayari.
Os, nababasa lang sa balita. Nabalitaan lang. Wala siyang personal na kaalaman. O, nabalitaan lang niya. Sinabi lang sa kanya. Tapos, unboxing. Asan yung pasabog dyan? Pasensya na, Director Matibag, ha? Pasensya na. Huwag ka magagalit sa amin. Nagre-react lang kami, ha? Dito sa performance mo. Oo. On a Duterte supporter point of view, ito yung nararamdaman namin sa performance mo. Sa kay Ridon, panalo ka doon. Kay Luis Tro, sa utak nila, panalo ka. Magaling ka. Pero sabi nga nila, constructive criticism, wag mong mamasamain, ha?
Which is not personal knowledge, correct?
Well, yun lang po yung knowledge natin.
You're a lawyer, correct?
Yan na, ito na. Oh, so, you're a lawyer, correct? Ito na.
Tama po, 29 years.
29 years. Can you recall Rule 130, Section 22 of the Rules of Evidence?
Can you refresh me, sir?
Okay, I will.
Ay. Oy, salamat kay Madam Sean dyan sa Amerika. Ang galing ni Atty. Binluan, no? Napansin niya, magkahawig kaming dalawa. Hindi kami magkano-ano, ha? Oo, ni Binluan. Hindi. Kahit magkanunal ako dito, o imagine mo, may nunal ako dito. Oh, magkamukha kami, no? Pero hindi kami magkamag-anak. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Oh, malayo. Hindi kami magkamag-anak niyan. Kahawig lang. Are you a lawyer? Kung ano yung nguso niya, eh. Refresh my memory. Ang saklap nun. Are you a lawyer? Yes, 29 years. I'm also an Odin. Oh, what's the do you remember the rules of evidence? Oh, refresh my memory. Kaya mo sinabing refresh my memory. It's your time to shine, eh. It's your time to shine. You should show people that yes, I know the rules of evidence. Section 28, Republic Act, ganito ganyan. 'Di ba? Yayabang mo 'yan. Niyabang mo nga Lodin ka eh. Niyabang mo nga abogado ka 29 years eh. Pero yung rules of evidence hindi mo pala sa ulo. Imagine, you are the NBI director and you are investigating, you are gathering evidence and you don't know, you do not remember or at least man lang memorize the rules on evidence. Paano mo nagagampanan ng tama yung trabaho mo kung yung mga rules ng paggagather ng evidence at pagkuha ng mga testigo ay hindi mo naiintindihan? Tapos ang laban. Anong sabi ng rules of evidence or rules on evidence? Para maintindihan ni Hindi, totoo yun. Do you know rules on evidence, blah, blah, blah? Tinan mo, naganunan yung mga prosecutor. Kasi kahit sila, di nila alam yun eh. Hindi nila sa ulo yun. Oo. So, ang ginawa nito ni Matibag, kung sa ulo niya yun, iyayabang niya yun. Rels, yung rules on evidence, blah, 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 i-recite niya yun. Di ba? I-recite niya yun. It's his time to shine. Pero dahil hindi niya sa ulo, hindi niya mai-recite. At para magmukhang hindi niya alam, at magmukhang alam niya, hindi niya lang sinasabi, refresh my memory. Gumano na lang siya. Agoy. Oy, Berna, umentado. Salamat sa iyo dyan sa Europe.
Let me refresh you, of course. I have here a copy of Rule 100.
Tawa pa siya. Saklat. Sakit, batang-bata ito. Sabi pa naman ni sino ba to, yung isang abogadong tanga? Oo, din daw niya si Chel Jokno at tuwan-tuwa daw siya, naging estudyante siya ni Chel Jokno. Tanungin mo, may kaso ka? Wala. Wala nagtitiwala sa kanya bilang abogado. Putang ina niyan.
30, Section 22 of the Rules of Evidence. And I'll read it. Please read with me, Director Matibag. Testimony confined.
Sakit nun, boss. Ang sakit nun. Kasi, kumbaga, ako teacher. Tinanong kita, estudyante kita. Sinabi ko sa'yo, mag-review ka eh, di ba? Can you recite the preamble? Tapos sasabihin mo na, can you refresh my memory? Ibig sabihin, hindi mo alam, hindi mo sa ulo yung preamble. Ganun lang yun eh. Alam mo, sinabi nitong gagong Binluan, tarantado rin to si Binluan, sabi, okay, so rules on evidence, section 24. Ganun siya eh. Mr. Matibag, read with me. Ibig sabihin, Mr. Matibag, hindi mo alam. Para malaman mo, basahin mo, kasabay ko. Ganun. Putang ina, ginawa niyang estudyante yung dean. Ay, Diyos ko. Salamat sa nagpakulay. Kung sino ka man. Hindi ko na makita. Ang bilis nung chat. Wait lang. Anong pangalan mo? Salamat sa iyo kay yung din pala yun si Ever. Hindi ba? Ganun lang yun, mga bossing. My goodness. Ginawa siyang estudyante samantalang siya yung teacher.
To personal knowledge. A witness can testify only to those facts which he or she knows of his or her personal knowledge, that is, which are derived from his or her own perception. Can you recall that rule now?
Yan po, nababasa ko po.
Okay, you
Tama
can
po.
Ang sakit. Ang saklap. Naalala mo na? Naalala mo na? Lodin ka pa naman, Lodin. Pinagyayabang mo pa. 29 years of lawyer, I am a Lodin. Naalala mo na? Ito, binasa ko sa'yo. Naalala mo na? Sabi niya, yan, nakikita ko na nga. Ibig sabihin, hindi niya talaga alam. Hindi niya talaga alam. Nakaka-insulto talaga yun, boss. Chori-choli, nakaka-insulto talaga yun. Sorry, Matibag, sorry talaga. Ang taas ng tingin ko sa'yo bilang isang abogado, 29 years at Lodin, napakataas ng tingin ko sa'yo. Kapag si Miriam Defensor Santiago, tinanong mo tungkol dyan, sa ulo niya yan, sigurado. Kapag si Juan Ponce Enrile, tinanong mo dyan, sa ulo niya yan, sigurado. Kapag si Drilon, tinanong mo dyan, sa ulo niya yan, sigurado. Kapag tinanong mo si Cayetano, Pia, tsaka si Alan Peter Cayetano, pag tinanong mo si Attorney Chis Escudero, alam nila yan, sigurado. Ikaw, taga-NBI ka, din ka pa, di mo alam. Ang masaklap nun, putya, sinabihan pa siya nung abogado, tinan mo.
Only to those facts which he or she knows of his or her personal knowledge, that is, which are derived from his or her own perception. Can you recall that rule now?
Can you recall that rule now? Ang sakit. Ako nasasaktan kay Matibag eh. Sir, inuman tayo. Inuman tayo, sir. Ano tayo? Kwentuhan tayo. Huwag mo nang isipin tong gago rin to si Binluan eh. Tarantado to si Binluan. Dati tuwan-tuwa ako kay Binluan. Inis na ako kay Binluan eh. Masyado naman kinakawawa yung tao. Wala kang galang sa matanda. Wala kang galang sa teacher. Wala kang galang sa 29 years na abogado. Wala kang galang sa sa Lodin na. Naging Lodin ka na ba, Binluan? Di pa naman. Ilang taong ka ng abogado? Baka saglit pa lang. Masyado ka makapagsalita. Kung alam mo kung sino ka. Walang hiya ka, Binluan ka.
Yan po, nababasa ko po.
Okay, you
Tama
can
po.
read it. Alright, so based on this rule, will you agree with me that a witness can only testify based on his personal knowledge?
Your Honor, may I comment to that?
These are basic questions, Your Honor.
Thank you very much, Adventure Online.
The witness is a lawyer, is competent enough to answer.
Counsel, are you making an objection?
This is a comment, Your Honor. The witness repeatedly testified that he
Kailangan na ng tulong. Tinulungan na ni Kalimbaboy. Tang inang buhay to. Skip na natin dyan sa sinasabi ni Kalimbaboy. Pasok.
Lead prosecutor, the counsel for respondent did not object to the line of questioning of the lead prosecutor earlier, based exactly on the ground cited by the lead prosecutor. The presiding officer will give sufficient leeway to the counsel for respondent to establish.
Diba ginusto mo yan? Hindi ka naman sinubina, pumunta ka dyan. So ngayon tinatanong ka, ayaw mo sumagot, tapos sumasaklolo pa to. Akala ko ba magaling si Matibag, sabi ng prosecution, may pasabog. Tapos ito, pinipigilan yung tanungin siya, competent man si Matibag, magaling man yan, matalino man yan, mahusay man yan, Diyos man yan. Oo, NBA director niya, magaling niya, matalino. Lahat na, sabihin na natin. Kaya competent siya, lahat sa kayang sagutin yan. Bakit pinipigilan mo, Luis Tro? Boyfriend ka ba niya? Ay, girlfriend ka ba niya? Hindi naman. Pabayaan mo lang siya dyan. Nilagay niyo siya dyan eh. Kung ayaw niyo pa rin siyang sumagot, sana hindi niyo siya nilagay dyan.
Establish his point. I think you also see what he is trying to establish. That's why he made a continuing objection in relation to it. I'll give you some leeway, counsel, but go to your next topic as soon as you're done with this.
Thank you.
Di ba? Ang galing.
Walang inuurungan.